Yeah, this is the Orvis Superfine 3-weight, and I have below it is the Superfine glass 6-weight. Both are glass rods, beautiful rods, and I got just the regular disc clicker bat and kill reel on the 4-weight. You know, it can really turn this rod, if you're taking two rods, like a larger one like a 6-weight and then this 4-weight here, the 4-weight can really help you get some catch time on the reel when the big ones aren't biting, only the little ones, and it makes for an eventful day. But yeah, I mean, it's just it's real nice. See the Orvis Superfine glass 7'6" 4-weight line. It's just a beautiful rod, cast like a dream. All right, and there's the 6-weight. I don't have an Orvis reel on it, but it's casting that big old purple thing. They're real nice. I just nothing's taken anything on the 6-weight, but this 4-weight, I've caught a lot of small little bass and panfish on it, and it just turns turns the day more fun when you can cast small little bugs and catch smaller fish here in the Texas Hill Country. See, I mean, it's going to be hot today, so I'm going to be leaving in a couple hours. All right, have a good one. Got a little tiny bass on the 4-weight, definitely fun. Orvis Superfine. Woo! There we go. There he goes. He's tired now. Little tiny. Little largemouth. All right. Or is that a Guadalupe? Gee, I don't know, man. Guadalupe? Well, this has been the most productive fly. The Orvis Superfine 4-weight. Makes any fishing outing fun. So when all you can catch is the small ones, because the big ones ain't biting, you have fun with the Orvis 4-weight Superfine glass, fiberglass rod. Ooh, man, you just got chunked. All right. Well, we're gonna see if them little fishies, they may not be locked in there. Let's see what they do to take this 4-weight. Whatever I throw in there, man, they're like nailing. So let's see. Okay, 3 minutes. This thing's so much different to cast. Oh. Ooh, yeah. Nice little little putchy put. They're always so pretty, man. That is probably the prettiest fish around here. Oops. There he goes. Well, now he's free. All right. Woohoo! Got it. Well, he's pulling down. Gotten in that current now. Whatever it is, pulling pretty good. Oh, it's a nice, is that a catfish? That's I caught a catfish. Woohoo! Ah, they're fun. Fun on a 4-weight. All right. Woohoo! Catfish on a 4-weight. Here, we'll drag them over here. I don't want to get thinned. All right. Fun, fun, fun. I just don't want them to fin me. Those things hurt when they fin you. Good job. Catfish on a fly rod. Four-weight handles it. Well, that's a decent one. Guadalupe ain't big, but it's fun on a 4-weight. All right, little Guadalupe. Oh yeah. Looks like a little perch. Oh, he got off. on a 4-way, catching perch. It's fun. Got a good one. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! I don't know what that is. Ah, it's a catfish. Well, these catfish like this fly, man. I think I left. He's pretty good. Let me get him in a net. Okay, here let me get the shallower water here. I hate unhooking catfish, man. I always get stuck. There we go. Good fight, good fight. Oh well, let's see, did I get that? Yeah, I got it. Well, I guess that's good enough. I mean, it wasn't a bass.